Hello, I am Thamizharasu, your guide to understanding the dynamic world of business strategy. Whether you are a startup, a small business owner, or a seasoned corporate, having a solid business strategy can be a difference between a success and failure. Today, we are going to delve deep into the realm of business strategy templates. And I promise it's going to be a game changer for your business. Stay tuned until the end of the special message. Hello.
1. Understanding the basics of business strategy templates. A business strategy template is essentially a blueprint that outlines what your business is about, what it wants to achieve, and how it plans to do so. It serves as a map guiding you towards your business goals, helping avoid potential pitfalls and keeping you on track. 2. The importance of a well-structured business strategy. A well-structured business strategy offers clarity, focus, and direction. It allows you to anticipate challenges, allocate resources efficiently, and align your team's efforts towards common objectives. 3. Different types of business strategy templates and their uses. There are various types of business strategy templates available, each with its unique approach. The SWOT analysis, PESTEL analysis, business model canvas, and balanced scorecard are some of the widely used options. 4. How to customize business strategy templates for your needs. Business strategy templates are not one size fits all. You must tailor them to fit your unique business needs, goals, and industry dynamics. Remember, the key to a successful business is a well-planned strategy, and with these templates, you are already halfway there. Before we wrap up, if you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful business tips. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your business strategy.